Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I am also very well. Today I am taking the class of class 6 and this is from EFT book, English first paper. Okay, and we are going to learn from lesson 25. The topic name is We Live in a Global Village. Now, can you tell me what is a global village? Yes, I think you have idea about global village. Actually, this world is becoming smaller, not in size, but actually as all the countries, the people of all the countries are getting connected by different type of communication media, okay, like newspaper or television or we are using internet by using the devices like mobile or computer, laptop. So in this way, the whole world is getting closer. All the people of the world are getting closer. And so the globe or the world is getting shorter and the countries are compared with the families of the village. The whole world is compared with the village and the countries are now becoming like families, and these families is very much interrelated with each other. Okay, so people are connected by easy travel, mass media and electronic communication. Or we can also say that distance and isolation have been dramatically reduced. What? This isolation and distance by using electric media, and this process is known as globalization, and globalization has made the world a global village. Let's get acquainted with another term. You are already acquainted with this. This is UN, that means United Nations. What is this? This is an international organization and it founded in 1945. And actually, what are the main purposes or the aims of this institution? Maintaining peace and security in the whole world, then protect human rights, and another aim is deliver humanitarian aid, and last but not the least is to uphold international law. So these are more or less new terms which we are going to read in this lesson. Then let's go to the text straight. Start. Okay, my dear students, the lesson starts with a letter in which Uncle Zul writes to his nephew Sohan. Okay, Uncle Zul actually works in Congo. Where is Congo? Can you tell me? It is in Africa continent. Okay, so Uncle Zul is writing to Sohan. At first, he says that he was very busy with his mission, with his work, so he was late to reply. Okay, it's like apologize. Okay, next he is working in Congo, and there he is working because there is violence among political parties, political groups, and he says that his life is very challenging there, their work is very challenging there, and they are trying to maintain peace and security there. And then he says that what is their duty? They have to distribute food, water, medicine, etc. At the same time, sometimes they also build houses there, and they also teach children. Okay, then he talks about a person whose name is Gurmit Singh. He says that he met that man and he was talking about their conversation. Okay, so this Gurmit Singh is an Indian actually, and this man from India, he goes to Singapore for his school education, then he goes to Denmark to complete his education, then again he goes to USA for completing his graduation, and later he goes to UK for his master's degree. Okay, so he has visited lots of countries, so many countries, all through his life. That's why this Uncle Zul is telling Gurmeet Singh that he is a man who can be named as global citizen. Why? Because he is moving around the globe, many countries he has already visited, and this Gurmeet Singh is engaged in a voluntary organization. Okay, that is what here it is meant to show that this Gurmeet Singh is a global citizen. And at the same time, when you read the text, you will get that this Gurmeet Singh is also calling Uncle Zul a global citizen because he is working in Congo in a mission. They are working for establishing peace and security in that country. Okay. Let's start lesson 26. The topic is our wage earners. Okay, that means the people who earn money by doing some kind of work, doing some kind of occupation. Okay, so wage means the amount of money paid to a worker for a specific type of work, okay, or service. Now, what is the topic about? We are told here that a huge number of Bangladeshis work in other countries and they send money to our country, and there is high demand of workers in some other countries like UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain. Okay, there is a high demand of our worker. Do you know the reason? The reason is our people are very hardworking. Okay, our people are very hardworking. At the same time, this is the problem, that is our workers, Bangladeshi people, are not that much well educated. Those who are going to other countries for such kind of work, they are not well educated, or they don't know English or Arabic or other languages well. That's why they cannot earn that much money, a good amount of money, and so that's why they cannot contribute to our country that much or that very well. Okay, so what do we have to do? They have to develop their skill in language according to respective countries, in which country they are going to work. So if they can develop this skill, they can earn much more money. Okay, so what they have to do, they should develop language skills, and if they can do that, of course they will get a good job, and as a result they will be able to contribute to our country, or they will help in the development of our country. Okay, I think this is very simple. You please, after watching the video, you solve the worksheet and send it to me. Thank you very much.